We're here at guest room 8238, and it's a grand suite on the Ovation of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. There's even a doorbell, as you can see. As you enter, you're greeted by a spacious little foyer area. Here's where you insert a key card to help operate all the lights in the entire suite. There's a bathroom access right as you walk in from the front door. It's a bathroom. There are 2 sinks in this actual bathroom, which is amazing. It's very spacious. We have been staying here already, so you'll see some stuff on the floor and whatnot. Has another sink right here. Then there's lighting around this sink as well. Got a full bathtub with shower, and all these different soaps and shampoos are amazing. They smell incredible. There's a phone even inside of this bathroom. Then you can walk out this side of the bathroom into the bedroom area of the suite. Here we have a closet with those fabulous Royal Caribbean bathrobes. More space here. Here's your safe. Not a huge safe, but it gets the job done for your passports and wallets and money and whatnot. A couple drawers down below. And they light up when you open them, and then the light shuts off when you close them. So very cool. Little makeup area or desk space here. Got plenty of plugs. A couple of regular plugs, some USB plugs. The European plug comes with a hair dryer. Lighted area light here. Thermostat control in here, and there's also one in the main living room. You have a very large TV here for the bedroom. Here's some more storage on the sides. Your nightstand right here, phone. This side does not have a plug, it just has the light controls, which you can control right from your bedroom there. Shut them off. It also, you can control the main lights in the the bathroom and bedroom area here. And of course the bed, very comfortable. We have 6 pillows. It comes with 2, but you can request more pillows, which is a nice feature as well. Here's where your outlet plug is on the other side of the bed. And again, more light controls. A couple drawers on your nightstand. You do have a very large balcony. This particular window here is just a window, not a slider. And then you enter back into the living room area here. And nice couch, which does make into a bed. This grand suite comes with 2 blankets. And they also supply you with the bath towel, or excuse me, the beach towels, which is amazing. Another control panel that controls the lights in the living room area. And oh, the card is out of the little thing, so it won't work when the card's out of there. My wife must have taken that. Another large TV here. And I'll go outside real quick. As you can see, nice large balcony with 2 adjustable chair loungers and footrests. A little table for morning coffee. You can have your breakfast delivered, as we did one day, and it was fantastic. And then this just closes and lifts, which locks the door. And then you come over here. There's another little office area, breakfast area. You get a Lavazza espresso machine that makes 2 different sizes of coffee. In terms of the little cups or larger cups, they supply you with different coffees and sweeteners and creamer. There are more plugs right in this area here that you can use. I was using those the whole time. More storage along the side here. Sorry for the darkness. We did have a tea maker brought in, so they have that option for you, which is fantastic. And then more storage, and the refrigerator is right in here, and you can lock this refrigerator. There's some size of that. And then you have drawers and whatnot down the side, and some really nice artwork right here. So that is room 8238 or 238, and it's on the 8th floor, the grand suite of the Ovation of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. And this, we just got back from an Alaska trip, so that's where we were coming from and heading to, and now we're heading into Seattle. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.